what's going on, guys? Lost to a Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got something different for you guys now. 2020 was one hell of a year. There was ups, there was downs, there was a pandemic, but overall things were fantastic here at Custom Offsets, and we had a lot of great memories. So we're gonna share those with you guys today. And by great memories, I mean a lot of ups, because you know, we're not perfect. So before we hop into it, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Now let's sit back, relax, and watch us make a fool of ourselves. All right, give me 3, 2, 1. Let's get this rolling. 3, 2, 1. Even came from a factory with dark ass tint.
I don't know that it came from the factory with DAT.
But
can we make that a song? Like turn WAP into dark ass tint?
Yeah, you fucking with some
dark ass tint.
What's going on, guys? Philly from Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Jared's picking his nose.
3, 2, 1.
What's going on, guys? Philly's picking his nose.
Just my pants. I just.
Oh, I'm glad I was recording. That's gonna go on the seal bloopers.
Ah, shit!
Yeah.
Boom.
The only reason.
Oh my God.
Running.
Wah, mic test.
Oh my God, you're so loud.
Not a Chevy guy. But I do.
I'm done with you. See you later.
Stop it. I see you right now. Get out of here.
All right.
Action.
Hey.
I know Dustin sounds like a sales robot, but they really actually are pretty cool.
All right, class. Today we have
Welcome to an episode of From the Gallery.
Pro tip: Mountain Dew after a wintergreen mint, not fantastic. It's not good. Is that what we were ready for? Whoa.
A few moments later.
Saturday, da-da-da, da-da-da. Shit.
What do you want me to do?
Talk like you're talking.
Hello? What's up? Hello, I'm Lost with Custom Offsets.
Wow, that's right. You do sound like.
Hey, I'm Custom from Lost and Offsets.
Yeah.
We're at Walmart. That can mean one thing, Nick.
Wally World.
No, it means we broke something.
Motherfucker.
what?
It's blurry.
Are you excited?
I'm very
You
excited.
ready?
Whoa.
You want some dip? What do you mean you want no dip?
Oh shit, that might have been a little too hard, bro. I definitely just cracked my screen.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Moonshine! Moonshine!
You sound crispy.
Crispy.
All right, ready?
No.
They all kind of talk like this. They don't talk like the word together.
Oh no, catch an alligator.
We got a buggy stuck on the bayou. Get in.
Okay. What up, little dude? Dude, there's another one! What the is going on? Sorry. Don't know what to tell you.
Hey! Took us way too long to film. Where were you?
I woke up 10 minutes after 6.
I needed you, John, and you let me down. You go to your room, you think about your actions.
Damn it.
To the back. That's your cue. Get over here.
How many cats do you have? Oh, do you really? Oh, I have 2 cats too.
What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets TV. What am I saying? I don't know what's happening. I like did it too slow. I have to do it fast, so I don't know what I'm saying.
And just like that with ceramic, it doesn't run right off.
Will it wash off easier?
It probably will.
Do I look good today? Are you sure I look good?
You definitely didn't have Gretchen double check.
Buying a truck is quite the investment. Do I look good today? You look good. Are you sure? Hopefully my hair's not today.
It is.
How do I look? Do I look good?
Show me.
Do I look good? Do I look good? Dude, he looks great. Look at him.
Just got a haircut yesterday. Can you hear the beard at all? Is it rubbing?
You could look a little better next time, but I don't know.
You can right off.
I put beard balm in this morning. PJ, do I look good today? Do I look good?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, dude.
Ready? Done f***ing around?
I'm done f***ing around.
Is it still going? I just want to be done and go, oh,
Mayonnaise is spicy.
None. Wheels, tire, suspension. Custom. Right here. RGW. RGBW. See, I don't know this. He's also got a RBGW 8-piece rock light kit from. Did I say it right? RBG. RGB.
Red, green, blue, W.
Okay. RGB, okay. He's also got an RGBW.
I can be in the video.
Couldn't you have gone with something with like custom offsets?
Wow.
You know, you're running 37s, the GM has to trim that and a bunch of plastic to fit.
Something's not right.
It's not right.
Something's not right. Bro, something's not right.
Oh, damn it.
Yeet! That's my test.
Give me like a wink thumbs up.
I can't wink. We already tried this.
Then just do a thumbs up, and then you give me the wink after. Okay, now you give me a wink.
I'm dying.
I'm sorry.
That's not Powerade, that's Propel.
I'll propel you out the f***ing door.
Oh jeez, guy. Oh jeez, I'm so scared. Oh jeez. Oh boy.